This is the all-new Infinix Note 10 Pro. At 6.95 inch, this device is tall, big and beautiful. Going at 115,000 Naira or $230, is this device all beauty and no brains? Well, stick around to find out. Opening the box of the Infinix Note 10 Pro, the first thing you will see is the smartphone. The color I have here is called Nordic Secret and it's simply beautiful. It changes color as you tilt it and I'm really impressed. For the highlight specs of this smartphone, it comes with a Mediatek Helio G95 processor, which is a very fast processor. It also comes with a 64 megapixel camera, a 33 watts fast charger, and the version I have comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Back to the box, it comes with a 1X Gold Note, which you can use to win 10,000 special customized products for free by scanning the QR code using the X Club app. It comes with the X-Pack leaflet, a plastic screen protector, a TPU case, a USB Type-C cable, earphones, and a 33 watts fast charger. For the charging time, it took this device 1 hour 37 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%, and that's not really bad, but I've seen better charging results. For the build quality, let me start off by appreciating just how beautiful and stunning this smartphone is. The raw of this smartphone is made from plastic, same as the frame. The frame doesn't tolerate fingerprints and smudges. You get none of that on this smartphone. You can also use this smartphone without a case and you'll be fine. The Infinix Note 10 Pro is a durable smartphone thanks to the plastic frame rear and the plastic screen protector that it comes with. As for water resistance, no smartphone is 100% water resistant, but the Infinix Note 10 Pro can be submerged inside water and it should be fine. So for the build quality, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. Oh, it doesn't have Corning Gorilla Glass protection, so let's revise it down to 6.5 over 10. For the external features, at the bottom, it comes with a 3.5mm audio jack, a mic, USB Type-C port, and a speaker. That's the main speaker over there. The other speaker is located at the top. As for the sound quality, it's loud, but it lacks a bit of bass. Now on the left side is where you'll find the dual nano SIM card tray and the memory card slot. At the top, there's absolutely nothing there. The right side is where the volume keys and power button are located. As for the power button, it doubles as the fingerprint scanner and it is lightning fast. The face unlock feature is equally fast if you decide to use it, and oh yes, it works if you're wearing a face mask. At the rear is where you find one of the selling points of the Infinix Note 10 Pro, and that's the cameras. It comes with a 64 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and a 2 megapixel monochrome camera with LED flashlight. I'll be showing you pictures captured using the cameras, so stay tuned for that. Moving to the front, it comes with a 16 megapixel front facing camera and a single LED flashlight. Now for the display, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is big. It comes with a 6.95 inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. It has a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling on this device super smooth, and a 180Hz touch sampling rate, which makes the display super responsive to touch, which is very handy for gaming. The display is bright enough and can be used outdoors. When consuming media, the camera punch hole doesn't get in your way as this display is big. Watching movies, browsing, chatting on this huge display is very nice. If you love big devices, guys, you will love the Infinix Note 10 Pro. For consuming media, the 1080p display isn't bad. IPS LCD panels is not as contrasty or as vibrant as AMOLED displays, but that won't stop you from having a swell time consuming media on this device. As for the display, I would have to knock Infinix for using an IPS LCD panel, as other smartphones around this price range are using AMOLED displays. Now moving to the performance, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is fast. It comes with the Mediatek Helio G95 processor. It's a 12nm chipset that features 2 ARM Cortex A76 processors clocked at 2 GHz and 6 Cortex A55 processor. Forget about the technical terms, all I am trying to say is this processor is fast, especially for gaming and multitasking. For the Antutu benchmark score, this is the result, and for the Geekbench score, here is the result. Again, these are very respectable numbers from the Infinix Note 10 Pro. The Mediatek Helio G95 processor is a gaming chipset, and for games like PUBG, you play the game at HD graphics and high frame rate. The gameplay wasn't bad. The 90Hz refresh rate and the 180Hz touch sampling rate did make the gaming experience much better. For Call of Duty, the Infinix Note 10 Pro played it with no lag and the gameplay was enjoyable. Genshin Impact ran okay on this smartphone. For a smooth gaming experience, I would advise you drop the graphics setting to low. Now, the Infinix Note 10 Pro comes with Android 11 with XOS Dolphin version 7.6.0, and be warned, it comes with bloatwares. I counted 19 unwanted apps, and some of these apps you simply can't get rid of them. I would highly recommend you delete all these bloatware apps and disable the ones you can't delete. I would also be recommending you install the third-party launcher like Nova Launcher if you want peace of mind, because these bloatwares ain't taking no prisoners. I will be making a tips and tricks video where I'll show you how to get rid of this app, so subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on that video. As for multitasking, the Infinix Note 10 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. With 8GB of RAM, multitasking is fluid on this device. No issues here. Now, the Infinix Note 10 Pro comes with some unique features, and X Note is one of them. With X Note, you can take down notes, you can draw, you can take a picture of an item with your smartphone camera and extract the text using the OCR feature. You can also record a voice note. Another feature that is unique to the Infinix Note series is Live Transcribe. That application transcribes whatever you say to your smartphone and is very accurate, although you will need an active internet connection. Now, moving to the camera department, the front-facing camera has a 16-megapixel sensor. Here are some pictures captured using it. Pictures look decent. The portrait shots on this smartphone is alright. Night photos using the front-facing camera are bad, even with the night mode. Hello guys, so yes, the video from the front-facing camera of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. It right now is shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second. That's the highest resolution. It doesn't have image stabilization or video stabilization using the front-facing camera. So what do you guys think about the quality of the 4K footage coming out from the Infinix Note 10 Pro? How is the audio as well? Let me know in the comment section below if you're feeling it. For the rear cameras, it comes with a 64-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera that doubles as the macro camera, a 2-megapixel monochrome camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Here are samples captured using the rear camera of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. Okay, so now we'll switch to the rear camera. It's shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second. So what do you guys think about the video quality? It's shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second. Let me know in the comment section below. Now for the battery, the Infinix Note 10 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery and it will last the entire day. For the charging time, it took 1 hour 37 minutes to charge this device from 0 to 100 using the 33 watts fast charger. Yes, it's fast, but like I said, I've seen faster devices. Now in conclusion, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is a big and beautiful smartphone. Priced at 115,000 Naira or $230, this device is very tempting for gamers and heavy users as it comes with the Mediatek Helio G95 processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The display is an IPS LCD panel, and that is a negative considering the price of this smartphone. The cameras are okay, the battery life is good, the bloatwares and ads on this device are really annoying, but luckily there's a fix for it. This is my review of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did. Valor signing out.